This video is about hominid phylogenetic relationships of change over time shown through a cladogram. The first derived characteristic is that all specimens have a foramen magnum. The first specimen is the G gorilla that has been around for 9 million years to the present day. Branching off of the G gorilla is A. boise that lived 2.5 to 1.2 million years ago. The sagittal crest gets smaller because the A. boise's jaws muscles aren't as strong as the gorilla's. The next derived characteristic is that the frontal bone gets rounder, which expresses that they eat softer foods, starting with pan-troglodytes that was around 7 million years ago to present day. Branching off is A. africanus that lived 4 to 2.8 million years ago, and compared to pan-troglodytes, the chin gets flat and the face becomes slimmer and longer. Its round cranium held a larger brain, and its small teeth created a longer, slimmer face. Moving on in the sequence, the canine teeth get smaller, the nose opens, and the canine diastema decreases in size. Related first to Homo habilis that was around 2 to 1.5 million years ago. The nose opens and is helpful in cold weather because large sinuses were needed to warm air as it is inhaled. Furthermore, the change in teeth resulted as a diet change. The next trait is that the chin starts curving, in which is just an evolutionary development with no significant value. This trait first applies to Homo erectus, which roamed Earth 1.8 million years ago to 300,000 years ago. And now we have the temporal bone becoming more visible, teeth are more straight, and the zygomatic bone starts curving. The reason behind the more visible temporal bone is that the specimen has a large brain capacity. Also, the zygomatic bones are curved because of the large middle part of the face. The straighter teeth demonstrate that they are large plant eaters. After these traits is a Neanderthal that lived 330 to 30,000 years ago, and branching off is the Homo sapien that was around 120,000 years ago to today. Next is Homo sapien. The zygomatic bone gets longer and more curved. It is the muscle used to pull the mandible upward in the process of biting and chewing. It is more curved and longer because of the shape and length of the skull. The end.